Hello guys, you tablet Huawei MediaPad T3, this 8-inch display version. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. That's all complementation. Key for SIM slots, it's LTE version. Okay. About tablet, 8-inch display, front camera, speaker. On the back side main camera, on this side without controls, right side power key, volume keys and slot for SIM card for LTE. Okay, downside micro USB port. Turn on device, HD display, IPS, 8-inch, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 425, this quad-core processor, CPU speed 1.4 GHz and GPU Adreno 308. Look results, CPU test. Open Antutu benchmark, we have 2 GB memory and 16 GB internal memory, and this Antutu benchmark result. Run GTA San Andreas demanding game, look how GTA San Andreas works. GTA San Andreas works only low graphic level, only this level we can play. On the medium graphic level, game very lag and works very bad. On this level we can play in game. Okay, close this. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.